What if we told you you could game at 1440p for under $500?
We have a build for you guys. This is an awesome 1440p ready gaming PC for under 500 bucks, and it's pretty easy to do at home. Don't believe us? Well, stay tuned after a word from today's sponsor. Attention PC builders, do you want to save money on your Windows activation? Well, today's video sponsor, GVG Mall, has you covered. An awesome online marketplace with game keys and also Windows licenses.
It's awesome how easy it is to activate Windows. You literally just buy a key on GVG Mall using code TB20 to get a really good discount, and from there you literally copy and paste the key into Windows and boom, you now have an activated version of Windows.
You can get Windows 10, Windows 11, and a bunch of other different keys at GVG Mall, and be sure to use code TB20 on checkout to save money on a Windows 10, Windows 11, or any other key from GVG Mall. Big thanks again to GVG Mall for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get into it, shall we?
This right here is a Ryzen 5 3600, and this one is a true 3600, but what makes it a little goofy is it's from AliExpress. And the reason that you want to buy these is because they are around 60 bucks, which is really cheap. But you can go on eBay as well if you don't want to have to wait for the shipping. You just might get one with some bent pins. And to cool that Ryzen CPU, because it doesn't come with a cooler, we have the Darkrock PX4, which is an all black, pretty stealthy looking cooler, and it can do up to 200 watts apparently, but we're not even going to be anywhere near that with the CPU. Now for the motherboard, we had to go a little bit cheap. We decided to get an Asus Prime B450M-A2, and even though this board's cheap, it still has some pretty good expansion features. You actually have 4 RAM slots. You do have 2 4-pins for the CPU, so you can actually handle a CPU upgrade. And what's also nice is this can handle 5000 series as well as 3000 series.
All those 3D CPUs.
And for the RAM, we have some old reliable. This is only 16 gigs. It is 2 8-gig sticks, so 16 total, 3200 megahertz. We just got the all black because this is some of the cheapest RAM in the market right now, and it's a really good bang for buck. And for the storage, we have a Teamgroup 512 gig Gen 3x4 SSD. SSD prices are going up, but these guys are still fairly cheap.
Now for the graphics card, we actually did a full benchmark video on this guy. This is the RX 5700 Non-XT, and this is the star of the show because 1440p ready, $120 on the used market. It's an absolute steal of a graphics card, and it's a really good option for really any budget bill, but when paired with that 3600 at under $500 total, I think it's gonna be a combo that you're gonna wanna copy at home. Oh, look at this, guys. A Zalman Gigamax 600-watt 8+ bronze power supply. If you watch our videos, you know we love using these power supplies because they have good wattage, very reliable. We use them a lot in PC builds for the YouTube channel and also pzbros.tech. Buy a PC today, use code TOASTBROS2 on checkout, save 2% on your next purchase. But yeah, 600 watts, 80+ bronze will get the job done and have rooms for upgrades in the future. And of course, it wouldn't be a Toasty Bros build without an awesome Apevia case. This is the Phenom Micro ATX case, which we did look at. It's basically the same frame as the Apevia Prodigy, but they went with tempered glass up front, along with 3 different kind of fans compared to the Prodigy. It is still that same proprietary to ARGB connector setup, but for a budget case at like $59, it's an absolute steal with tempered glass and pretty solid build quality. And all in all, for $500, a little under $500 before tax, it's an absolute awesome combination. I think it's gonna perform very well and surprise you guys at home. Let's put it together and see how she does.
Alright guys, we are playing Halo Infinite. We're playing some Halo 3 Refueled, so we're actually on some Halo 3 maps, but we got 120 FOV, 1440p. We have an unlocked frame rate. We're running a medium quality preset, and I almost forgot how to move for a second there, but so far we're looking, you know, all right. It's definitely playable, but this might be an example of a game where if you're gonna do 1440, lower the settings a little bit.
Yeah, this is definitely a pushing the limits of 1440p for a system like this.
Yeah.
So you'll see in like Call of Duty with like FSR and stuff, we'll probably get some better FPS, but
I mean, the latency is like the biggest thing I'm feeling.
We could drop it to low and see what happens, but
Yeah.
because 1440p low, I mean, obviously you might want to go 1080p at that point, but we'll just see what it does.
Yeah, that's definitely looking, like my mouse definitely feels more accurate to where I'm like aiming and shooting now. Will it make me be able to get kills?
I think there are some settings in Halo that require restart, but I think it changed most of them to low. Oh God.
Shoot.
You got.
Shoot. I got you, teammate.
Yeet.
Aw. I thought I was gonna have like some epic timing on that, you know?
Yeah. Break.
Good. What is in the gravity hammer? Where do they keep getting these things from? That was like my first kill in a while, dude. Oh.
Yes.
What do you know? It's the, what is that, Vin Dicer?
Vin Dicer. We just found the god.
Oh, that's
Timmy
so
Forges.
Timmy's aight.
Your buddy's coming.
Oh God, he's so good. Dude, he used the little grapple. I was like, he can't come from that way. And I'll watch it just in case.
Say what's up.
And he said, yo, please, dude.
Guess who? Oh, there he is. Guess who?
It's him. We're definitely making it hard for them to win. I feel like they've been almost winning for a while now.
Oh, hello.
Is that him? Is that the guy? That was him. He got it.
And
He
they
had
got it.
dude, that's
30 and
4,
7.
5 and 3, and then 30 kills, man. Oh my gosh. Well, Halo ran well. I don't recommend playing against people like that. Just leave if you find someone in your life.
See if we can find demons like that in Warzone.
All right.
Ah! All right, gamers, we are in Call of Duty Warzone at 1440p balance preset. We are using FSR 3, which this GPU is like right on the cusp of being recommended for FSR 3, so we'll see what it does, but should help us out a little bit with our FPS numbers and see what's the worst case scenario for 1440p gaming. I picked these two games because I didn't expect them to get like the 120, 144 FPS that you get in like Fortnite. These are definitely like worst case scenarios, so anything above that, like eSports titles like CSGO, Fortnite, Rainbow Six, all those games, expect way better results at 1440p. This is kind of the floor. Oh!
Uh-oh, it's not quiet anymore. Dang.
Ooh.
Laser arm. Oh, you killed Beagle.
I'm scared. Ah! Oh, I swore I heard somebody. Disrespect.
Batoned.
Batoned. Dude. Can I get something other than a sniper and a shotgun? And this dude needs to turn his mic off. Dad, can you tell me what language that is?
God, that thing is crazy.
What? Oh, God.
It's like,
Ah!
like the AA-12.
All right, I get in the water. Let's go.
Oh.
Boy. Just for the sake of showing you guys both as well, I'm gonna go ahead and drop down to good old 1080p. Because I mean, again, a game like this, some people might want to play 1080. How about our requeue? All right, guys, we're back, and we're at 1080p now. Just for the sake of testing both, you know, might as well. 1080p. We're gonna use FSR 3 still. If you want to limit your like frame times or delays, you could turn off FSR, but we're still getting 120 FPS, and it feels pretty smooth. So we'll see how it goes. Yeah, it was pretty solid at 1440. You would have been fine with that, but for those who want to see both, I mean, you're spending $500 on a PC. The reason we test 1440p now on these budget PCs is because you can get monitors for so cheap, like 1440p displays, and you can grow into that monitor pretty easily with a bunch of different upgrades.
Especially if you're getting like a 27 or above. 1440 just looks so much better than 1080.
Yes, sir. Oh!
Uh-oh.
Yeah, buddy!
That was a good two-pumper.
I hear feet.
That's fun fact. Matt doesn't hear the feet. He smells them.
Ah! I didn't smell those.
Where did they go?
Ah! Yeah! Dude, these sounds make no sense.
Oh, yeah, they do.
Dude, it sounded like he was right there. It's this person again.
Enemy wiped.
I got him.
Is that-
Ah! Yeah, buddy.
He doesn't even know. Oh, he knows. He knows.
I'm going right back to him. Going right back to him.
Baby bop.
Oh, God.
Oh,
No.
He's still there.
No.
One HP.
1 HP. Hey, 1080p or 1440p runs pretty good. Well, let's run some 3D Mark Time Spy and see the maximum potential of this thing, because I think value for money, it's going to be pretty high on our scale.
So.
Let's do it and wrap this video up real quick.
Woo. All right, guys, so we are very excited to see that this PC not only performed really well at 1080p, but even 1440p like we promised you all in most of your AAA titles in all esports. This definitely does a really good job.
Yeah, 1440p ready for $500 is really hard to achieve, but with this combo, I think you can do it. And in terms of our 3D Mark Time Spy score, we end up with a score of 8,174, which is a 6 cent per point score, which does rank among some of the best price performance PCs we've done here on the channel. And yeah, if you can find an RX 5700 non-XT, a Ryzen 5 3600, or another CPU, you'll be very happy with 1080p high refresh rate or 1440p gaming. So if you want to build this yourself, check those links in the description down below. They will be affiliate links and they will help us out. Let us know what you think of this $500 1440p PC in the comment section down below. And if you guys want to see other ones on the channel, let us know in the comment section as well.
So as always, we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, check out our other two YouTube channels and also our twitch.tv/toastybros, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.
This PC right here will be available at PCBros.tech for an amazing price, and on top of that, it'll have a 1-year parts and labor warranty, all done by us in-house.
PCBros.tech. We sell gaming PCs, gaming laptops, and so much more. Use code ToastyBros21 at checkout. You'll save 2% on your purchase of this PC or anything else on the website. We sell everything.
Oh, yeah.
PCBros.tech. See you guys later. Goodbye.
Even Jonah.